Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just have a fun unboxing for you guys today. I'm so excited to share these things with you. I am so excited to get them out of this box because I want my kids to be able to use them, but I just haven't been able to get around to it. So I want to thank Busy Puzzle for sending me these beautiful things. I did open just enough to peek inside, but I did not open the whole box yet and I did not take the stuff out. So thank you, Busy Puzzle. I will link, if you are not familiar with Busy Puzzle, I have purchased from them in the past the wooden name puzzles. I should probably go grab them so I can show you guys. But the wooden name puzzles that I have for my two youngest kids, they're absolutely beautiful. You can get them in a variety of different colors and wood stains, and it is just their name. You can add little like pictures on there if you want to. I just like the simple name so that they can get familiar with the letters of their name in a fun way, how to spell it and all of those things. So that is how I have used Busy Puzzle in the past as a customer. And Busy Puzzle was kind enough to let me select a few items to share with you guys and to use with my kids. And it was honestly, you guys, so hard for me to choose. Like I had to keep telling them, like, I'm so sorry it's taking me so long. I'm having such a hard time choosing because they have so many amazing things, like a billion amazing things available. I think they're all wooden. I'm pretty sure they're all wooden. I don't know if they have any non-wooden things, but if not, it's like 99% wooden things, which I love. I try to limit the plastic. No judgment. I have plastic in my house too, but I just find that I just prefer wooden toys. So two of these are more fun things, and then one is more educational. That was what I was having a hard time with. I wanted to go all educational, but like, wait till you see these things, you guys. So jumping right in, the first thing that I got is a wooden slingshot, and I just love letting boys be boys, like in the right way, right? Like in a healthy way, and just embracing like their natural curiosity and adventure. And this is just so sweet. You can choose to get it personalized or not. I did choose to get these personalized for my 3-year-old. He is obsessed with David from the Bible, David and Goliath. He always talks about wanting a slingshot like David. He wants to be like David. So we got him this personalized slingshot. Also, what you get with it are these little felt balls, because obviously I don't want him using rocks like David did. But if they have these adorable balls, you can choose from different numbers of balls that you want to get. And then you can also choose whether or not you want to get targets. So I'll show you the targets in just a minute. The next thing that I got him that I am so excited about is this personalized bow and arrow. I chose the darker stain for this one just to kind of have something different. So I did the natural in this, and then I did the darker stain here for the actual bow. And then I did the natural arrows, and then they have the little felt balls that they are tipped with. So I got him this. And then it also has the quiver. Like, you guys, look at how adorable this is. He is going to love this. He's going to be so excited. So I did get the targets to go along with both. So I ended up with a bunch of targets. You can choose to get these in a different wood grain, or you could choose colors. They have colors. I did all natural, although I almost wish that I would have gotten one in a darker wood grain or one with colors, but it's okay. And then it has the little stands that you stand the targets up on. So super excited for him to use this. I know his older brothers and probably his older sister and younger sister are probably all going to want to try this with him. This next thing is really for everyone, and this is a more educational thing that I am so excited about, and this is their wooden map puzzle. This also comes in a variety of different color options. You can get just wood, different colors of wood, and all different color combinations. I am so excited to share this with them and use this for learning about the world and different things that we're studying. And then it also has the stands that you can stand it up. You could put it on the shelf, you could lay it on the floor or the table, or however you want to use it. So I am so excited. Definitely go check them out for all things wooden toys, personalized items, gifts. They have so many learning resources, but then also like wonderful Montessori style toys, all of the things. Like I could easily spend all my money on Busy Puzzles. The link to shop Busy Puzzle is down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much, Busy Puzzle, for sending me these amazing, high quality, fun things for my kids. I can't wait to use them. I'll be sharing as we use them in different ways over on Instagram. So if you're not already following me there, be sure to follow me there at rooted_homelife. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're new around here. But I share all different kinds of things: homeschooling, curriculum, faith, family life. Every once in a while I do a day in the life, and I'm always up for video requests or questions that you guys have. I just love connecting with you all. So I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos. Until next time, stay rooted.